Hey guys, this is Q here, and I just want to make a quick video today on what is the difference between 을 거야 and 을게. Alright, so 을 거야 or 을 거예요 for formal is more like I will. It's just the regular form I will. Like for example, 나는 먹을 거야. So that just means like I'm going to eat or I will eat, right? But 을게 or 을게요, this is like I will eat too. So if I say 먹을게 or 먹을게요, that also means like I will eat, but it kind of has this sense of, well, it's kind of difficult to explain in English. It's kind of like I'm going to eat, okay? Like I'm gonna eat, is that okay? Or something like that. It's like another example would be like 제가 할게요. So 제가 할게요. So it's like oh, I'll do it. Oh, that's okay. I'll do it. I'll do it myself. Okay? Is that okay? So there's this little bit of a nuance attached to it. And also another thing is that with the 을게, you could only say it with yourself. So you can't say like he will 을게, like 그는 할 거예요. No, sorry. 그는 할게. You can't say 그는 할게. You could only say 을게 with yourself. So like 나는 할게 or 저는 할게요. And also the 을게, it can't be a question. Only the 을 거야 can be a question. So so you could only say 이거 할 거야, but you can't say 이거 할게. Like it can't be a question. So for the question, you could only use the 을 거야. Alright, so just to recap really quick, 을 거야 is probably the one you want to use in most cases. You could ask questions for this, and also you can just say I will. And 을게 is like the special one where you could only refer to yourself, and it's kind of like don't worry, I will do it, or something like that. It has a little bit of a nuance. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any other questions, and see you guys in the next video.